Good morning viewers, this is Pradeep, Managing Director of Planwize Constructions. This particular plot is located at the heart of Kannamangalam city. So it is free from noise pollution, it is free from air pollution. It has a lot of space around and it has a lot of privacy also. Coming to the client's requirements, it is a family of 3. The client is very particular about 2 things only, as he said earlier. One is the vastu and one is the elevation. The kitchen has a utility cum store space as well as the rear entrance to the back is planned from the kitchen. In ground floor, we have 2 bedrooms. From the first floor living area, we go to the balcony space, which is a very big space actually. This particular space is planned in such a way as per the requirements of the clients, as the client's major requirement was elevation. One is vastu and other is elevation. So this balcony gives a very good view of the main road. Now talking about the uniqueness of this building, there are certain unique features to this building. One is the puja room design. The puja room design is made in such a way that is a blend of perfect contemporary as well as traditional touch. So puja room door is one thing which will stand out. Another uniqueness about this building is that grey texture which we have used. At some places we have used with the strip lighting. So this grey texture resembles a Sadarhalli leather finish granite. Yeah, since safety is a very important factor, so we have used this automation system for the main door lock to provide the necessary security to the client. So viewers, why should you choose Planwize? 2 important things. One, we are experts in vastu and we are into vastu for more than 45 years from my father's period. One important reason, and another important reason is that we are experts in all 3 parameters of building, which is vastu, construction as well as architecture. So it saves your time and money from running in between different experts. And another important aspect of Planwize constructions and why you should choose Planwize is the space utilization, where we make a 1000 square feet building look like a 1500 square feet building, and these are our major strengths.